Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make sunflower granny square. So I am using 4.5 millimeter needle and 4 ply wool. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, make chain of 1, 2, 3 and 4 and make a slip stitch in the last one. Chain 1 and make half double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Make 12 half double crochet in the circle. Now I made 12 half double crochet into the circle. Now I will change the color and make like a puff stitch. Insert hook, chain 1 and now turn the yarn in the same stitch. Insert your hook, pull a loop, hold again. Now pull through all of it. Chain 1. This is our first puff. Now in the next turn, pull a loop, hold again. Now through all of it. Chain 1. In the next, pull a loop, hold again. Now pull through all of those loops. Chain 1. Make this puff in all 12 stitches. I'll be back in a moment. Now I made 12 puff stitches. Now I will change the color. I am using pink. You can use yellow for the sunflower. So I will put my needle in between of two puffs like this and make a knot. Now chain 2, 1 and 2. Now again turn your yarn and insert hook in the middle of these two and pull a loop through 2 loops and hold again. Turn, pull loop from 2 loops. Now I have 3. Again from 2 loops, pull loop over 2 loops. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on my hook, so I will pull loop through all of those loops and chain 2. Now again do same pattern, pull loop through 2 loops, again pull over 2 loops, again and again. Now I have 5 loops on my hook. Pull all of it. Now chain 2, again in between of those 2 puff, make 12 puff in all of these stitches in between of those puff. Now I finished this round 2, so I will make first corner of the sunflower square. Chain 3. Now make a treble, turn your yarn around of your hook for 2 times, insert the hook, pull a loop over 2, now again 2 loops, now again 2 loops. Now make 2 chain and make terrible 2 times, turn your yarn 2 times from the hook and again insert the hook, pull from 2 loops, again from 2 and again 2. Now again make treble. Now in the next space I will make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now in the next I will make again 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now I will create another corner for the square. Make treble, make treble, sorry I am saying terrible, make treble crochet, again make treble, chain 2, again treble, now in the next I will make double crochet, for 3 times. In the next make double crochet for 3 times, and in the next I will create another corner, turn your yarn 2 times from your hook, insert the hook and make treble 1, 2, chain 2, again we will make 4 corners of this granny square, so I will be back in a moment. Now I finished my last round, so this is my sunflower granny square. 4 corners of treble stitch and 2 of this double crochet, 3 times in one space. So I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in another video inshallah. Till now, Allah Hafiz.